Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Alight Motion and creating the project you want. Choose resolution and frame rate first. Next, get the XML link ready. This must be a direct link to the preset or project XML file. Once done, make sure your device has internet access and Alight Motion permissions to download or import external content. Now tap the import icon or the project menu. We're starting the import process immediately, so you can place the XML into your timeline fast. Once the import dialog appears, choose the option to import from URL. Some versions label it Import XML or from link. Paste the XML link exactly, no extra spaces at the start or end, and check it begins with HTTP or HTTPS, otherwise the app will reject it. After you confirm, choose where to place the incoming animation. Select an existing layer or create a new composition layer. You'll see the imported keyframes or group appear. If not, wait a few seconds for processing before moving on. Finish by adapting the imported XML to your project. Tweak layer scale, timing, and easing so it matches your frame rate and composition length. If elements are missing, re-import the XML and check the link, or open the XML in a text editor to confirm referenced assets are accessible. Once satisfied, save your project immediately and export a short test clip to verify everything renders correctly. If you run into errors, try re-downloading the XML or clearing app cache before retrying the import.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.